What is product development? Product development is the process of bringing an idea to life, from initial concept to market-ready solution. It involves various stages, including research, design, prototyping, testing, and launch, ensuring that the final product meets customer needs and business goals. Successful product development requires collaboration between designers, engineers, marketers, and stakeholders to create innovative, high-quality solutions that stand out in competitive markets. Whether it's a physical product or a digital service, effective product development drives innovation and business growth. Key principles of product development. 1. Customer-centric approach. Prioritize understanding customer needs through feedback and market research. 2. Cross-functional collaboration. Foster teamwork among departments like marketing, engineering, and design. 3. Agile methodology. Embrace iterative development to adapt to market changes quickly. 4. Risk management. Identify and mitigate risks in technical, financial, and market areas. 5. Continuous improvement. Regularly update and refine products to stay competitive. Steps in product development. 1. Idea. Generate creative concepts for new products. 2. Plan. Develop a detailed blueprint for production, including design and materials. 3. Build. Create a prototype to test the concept. 4. Test. Identify and fix issues to ensure functionality. 5. Make. Begin mass production once the product is validated. 6. Sell. Introduce the product to the market. Product development is not just about creating something new, it's about solving problems, improving lives, and delivering value to customers. A well-executed product development process ensures that ideas are transformed into successful, market-ready solutions that meet user needs and business objectives. As industries evolve and technology advances, continuous innovation in product development remains crucial for staying competitive and driving long-term success. Stages of product development. Product development is the backbone of innovation and business growth. It allows companies to create new offerings, improve existing ones, and stay competitive in dynamic markets. A well-defined product development process minimizes risks, optimizes resources, and ensures the final product delivers value to both the business and its customers. Be it a physical product, software, or service, the stages of product development provide a roadmap for success. In this video, I will look at the stages of product development, objective of each stages, activities involved as well as outcome expected from the stages. 1. Idea generation. The objective of the idea generation phase is to identify potential product ideas that address market needs or solve specific problems. This phase involves brainstorming sessions where teams come together to generate creative ideas. Input is gathered from various sources, including customers, employees, and stakeholders, to ensure a diverse range of perspectives. Additionally, market trends and competitor offerings are analyzed to identify gaps and opportunities. The outcome of this phase is a pool of ideas that have the potential to be developed into viable products. 2. Idea screening. Once a pool of ideas is generated, the next step is to evaluate and filter them to select the most viable ones. The objective of this phase is to assess the feasibility, market potential, and alignment of each idea with business goals. Activities include analyzing the practicality of the ideas, estimating their market potential, and eliminating those that are impractical or low potential. The outcome is a short list of promising ideas that are ready for further development and refinement. 3. Concept development and testing. In this phase, the objective is to develop detailed product concepts and validate them with target customers. Activities include creating comprehensive product descriptions, outlining features and benefits, and presenting these concepts to potential customers for feedback. This feedback is crucial for refining the concept and ensuring it resonates with the target audience. The outcome of this phase is a well-defined product concept that aligns with customer needs and expectations. 4. Business analysis. The business analysis phase focuses on assessing the financial and market viability of the product. The objective is to determine whether the product can generate a return on investment, ROI, and succeed in the market. Activities include estimating costs, pricing, and profitability, as well as conducting market research to gauge demand and analyze competition. The outcome is a clear understanding of the product's potential ROI and its fit within the market landscape. 5. Product design and development. The objective of this phase is to turn the refined product concept into a tangible product. Activities include creating detailed design specifications, developing prototypes, and testing these prototypes for functionality, usability, and quality. This phase often involves collaboration between designers, engineers, and other stakeholders to ensure the product meets technical and aesthetic standards. The outcome is a functional prototype that is ready for further testing and validation. 6. Testing and validation. In this phase, the objective is to ensure the product meets quality standards and customer expectations. Activities include conducting alpha testing, internal, and beta testing, external, to identify any issues or areas for improvement. Feedback from these tests is used to make necessary adjustments and refinements. The outcome is a market-ready product that is safe, reliable, and user-friendly. 7. Commercialization. The commercialization phase focuses on launching the product into the market. The objective is to ensure a successful market entry and maximize the product's reach. Activities include finalizing production, packaging, and distribution plans, as well as executing marketing and sales strategies. This phase requires coordination across multiple teams to ensure a smooth and effective launch. The outcome is the successful introduction of the product to the market. 8. Post-launch review and improvement. After the product is launched, the objective shifts to monitoring its performance and making continuous improvements. Activities include tracking sales, gathering customer feedback, and analyzing market performance. This information is used to identify areas for improvement or updates, ensuring the product remains competitive and relevant. The outcome is a product that evolves over time to meet changing customer needs and market demands. Each stage plays a crucial role in ensuring the product's success, from the initial idea to its market launch and beyond. Ultimately, successful product development is not just about creating a product, it's about creating value for customers and driving long-term business growth. How to create a product development plan. Creating a product development plan involves defining clear goals, strategizing actionable steps, and continuously refining the approach based on feedback. A well-structured product development plan is essential for turning ideas into successful products. It provides clarity, direction, and accountability, ensuring that all stakeholders are aligned and working toward a common goal. This video will look at a step-by-step approach in creating an effective product development plan. By following these steps, businesses can create an adaptable and effective plan that improves the likelihood of product success. 1. Define the product vision and objectives. The web application development process begins with defining the product vision and objectives. This involves establishing a clear vision and goals by identifying the problem the product will solve, determining the target audience, and setting measurable objectives such as revenue targets or customer satisfaction goals. The outcome is a well-defined vision that guides the development process. 2. Conduct market research. It helps understand the market landscape and customer needs. This includes analyzing competitors, gathering customer feedback through surveys and interviews, and identifying market trends. The insights gained provide a deeper understanding of customer preferences, market demand, and competitive positioning. 3. Develop the product concept. With research insights in place, developing the product concept is the next step. This entails defining the product's features, benefits, and unique selling points, USPs, creating sketches or wireframes, and validating the concept with stakeholders and potential customers. The result is a well-structured product concept aligned with business goals and customer needs. 4. Create a project timeline. Creating a project timeline ensures an organized and realistic development schedule. The process involves breaking development into phases, setting deadlines for each stage, and utilizing project management tools like Gantt charts or Kanban boards to track progress. A well-structured timeline facilitates timely delivery. 5. Allocate resources. Allocating resources is crucial to ensure smooth execution. This includes identifying team members and their roles, estimating the budget for development, testing, and launch, and securing necessary tools and materials. A well-planned resource allocation supports efficient project execution. 6. Design and prototype. The design and prototype phase transforms the concept into a tangible product. It involves developing detailed design specifications, creating prototypes, and iterating based on feedback and usability testing. The outcome is a functional prototype ready for validation. 7. Test and validate. Testing and validation ensure the product meets quality standards and customer expectations. This stage includes conducting alpha, internal, and beta, external, testing, gathering feedback, and ensuring regulatory compliance. The result is a reliable, user-friendly product prepared for market entry. 8. Plan the product launch. Planning the product launch is essential for a successful introduction to the market. This step includes developing a marketing strategy, planning distribution channels, and creating a launch timeline. A well-structured launch plan maximizes product visibility and sales potential. 9. Monitor and improve. Continuous monitoring and improvement help the product evolve post-launch. Customer feedback and market performance allow businesses track sales and identify areas for improvement, plan updates, and develop future product iterations. This ensures the product remains relevant and competitive in the market. Creating a product development plan is a critical step in ensuring the success of any new product. It provides structure, clarity, and direction, enabling teams to work efficiently and effectively toward a common goal. With a well-crafted plan in place, you can turn your vision into reality and achieve long-term success in the market. How to build a comprehensive product development plan. Building a product development plan isn't just about laying out objectives, it's about creating a dynamic, actionable guide to ensure every team member knows their role in delivering a successful product. It serves as a roadmap that aligns teams, resources, and timelines while minimizing risks and maximizing opportunities. Here are some frameworks to help you develop and execute a robust product development strategy. 1. Set your goals and strategy. Determine your goals for this phase of product development and make sure they align with larger business objectives. Always keep the customer at the heart of your plan. Their needs, preferences, and feedback should guide every stage of development, from ideation to post-launch improvements. 2. Choose an appropriate roadmap framework. With development roadmaps, there's two main frameworks: waterfall roadmaps or agile roadmaps. If you're following a more traditional development process, a waterfall roadmap will get the job done. In an agile startup environment, you'll want to use an agile roadmap to collaborate. While a plan provides structure, it's important to remain flexible. Market conditions, customer feedback, and unforeseen challenges may require adjustments along the way. 3. Detail the product development process. Map out the stages discussed above and what tasks are needed to accomplish them. Think about the work that needs to be done to build your product features as well as designing them, testing them, and so on. Product development is rarely linear. Embrace an iterative process that allows for testing, learning, and refining at every stage. 4. Determine stakeholders and project owners. Of course, it's not enough to know what needs to be done, you also need to be aligned on who's in charge of it. Your development roadmap is the right place to align project owners to make sure pieces aren't slipping through the cracks. Successful product development relies on the collaboration of diverse teams, including R&D, marketing, sales, finance, and operations. Ensure clear communication and alignment across all departments. 5. Monitor and adjust. Just like with your product, building in an iterative review process to evolve your roadmap as things change will help keep your roadmap useful and up to date as you move forward with development. Identify potential risks early and develop mitigation strategies. This proactive approach can save time, money, and resources in the long run. Use data and insights from market research, testing, and customer feedback to make informed decisions. This reduces guesswork and increases the likelihood of success. 6. Celebrate milestones. A product development plan shouldn't end at launch. Consider the entire product lifecycle, including updates, extensions, and eventual retirement, to ensure sustained success. Acknowledge and celebrate key achievements throughout the development process. This boosts team morale and keeps everyone motivated. Keep in mind that the ultimate objective goes beyond merely launching a product, it's about delivering meaningful value to your customers and driving sustainable business growth. With a clear roadmap, a committed team, and a strong emphasis on innovation, you can transform your vision into a thriving reality. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to visit our online educational platform at www.eduslides.com by registering for free courses. Guess what? You can as well earn a certificate of completion after completing your course, and you don't have to pay to register. Why not subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more videos by clicking the subscribe button below?